Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I am going to be removing the factory rear diffuser off my car, considering I did go with a single exit exhaust. I was able to actually find one off Facebook Marketplace for like $80, so I'm really happy to be able to switch it to a single to get ahead on things while I have the car in the air, putting the brace on, and I'm still waiting for my dad to weld that. I'm going to take the rear diffuser off, so let's get to it. So guys, the little hex head bolts here are 7 millimeters, and the Torx bit there is a T15. Alright guys, so pulling the liner down a little bit, I'm under the diffuser. Here's the diffuser. Pulling the diffuser down a little bit, there is these three clips. The blue clip, the gray clip in the middle for the harness, and then another blue clip. Those have to come out both on each side, and then that should be just about everything besides maybe another clip up and farther, but I'm gonna get these pulled and I'll get right back with you. Alright guys, so I'm actually fighting with this clip on the passenger side, but besides that, it does look like there's a 7 millimeter bolt right here that needs to come out. I finally decided to turn on a video to make sure that I was doing it correctly, but looks like all I need to do now is take one of these plastic trim removal tools and just start working around the outside of the bumper. So, let me put you down. Flip. So what you guys got to do is get the light up here, basically. So what you guys got to do is when they're sitting, I think you could slightly see this one. You kind of just have to stick it right where the peg is, just like this one. You stick it right here in the middle. And while you're doing that, you just pull out on it. Obviously, I can't do it because I'm holding a light and this camera. But I got some smoked, nice little reflectors here. Thought it'd be a little bit of a change, especially since I am going to have them already off the car. So let's see how these fit. They were also only $22, so simple enough, they fit. If I remember, I'll leave the exact link to these ones that I used right here down below. This actually looks like it's a exact fit, so I'm not too worried about linking you guys a bad product. And obviously, I'm not getting paid for just showing you how a product fits, to put that out there. Actually, Amazon had these as a frequently returned item, but as you see, they fit, and they fit pretty well. I mean, maybe they got returned because nobody wanted to actually fight with the diffuser to get to this point to get them changed. But yeah, I mean, I don't think they fit that bad, and all it really is a Phillips screwdriver once you get to this point. I know getting to this point was pretty bad, especially if you had to fight with these with it on the car. You had to fight over the mufflers. That wouldn't be very fun either. So I understand why they're frequently returned, but Fitment's actually pretty well on them. Alrighty guys, so as you saw in that time lapse, I did get the diffuser on. It was a lot easier to put it on than it was to take it off, but again, it really wasn't that bad to take it off. I was just a little confused on how it was. Really wasn't that bad. If I had to do it again, probably would be within an hour to completely swap it. So not bad, but I did have a really big change of heart on one thing that I'll show you guys here. So looking at this, obviously this pipe is off a little bit, but there's the new reflector. It looks pretty good, but I honestly like the single exit look, and I don't feel the need to want to cut it now. So I mean, only spending $80 on that diffuser, I could always find another one and cut it. But if that's going to be the final touches of me from going like 10 O's to a 998, I would say it would be worth it. But for now, I'm just going to leave it. Yes, that's a parachute. Probably cost me half a mile an hour to a mile an hour, which doesn't sound like much in the grand scheme of things, but when you're trying to push for something, when you're kind of limited, every little bit helps. But I do kind of like the look now. So it's one of those things that I could easily cut down the road, down in the future, but for now, I'm going to leave it as it is. The diffuser swap is going to be the main part of the video, and then I got the new reflectors. So I guess that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate everything that you guys are doing so far. It really means a lot to me. I'm glad I'm able to let this grow and have my car be out there the way that I want it to be out there, and hopefully you guys can watch this growth with this car and me together, which is wonderful. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.